Every time you run your car through a wash, you might be doing more damage than the dirt you are trying to remove. And most car owners have no idea it is happening. Your car's paint is thinner than a human hair. That glossy finish is delicate, and the wrong wash is silently destroying it. Today, we are breaking down exactly why some car washes damage paint, what is happening at the microscopic level, and what you should be doing instead. Let's start with the obvious culprit: rotating brushes inside automatic tunnel car washes. Those spinning arms clean hundreds of cars every single day. Each car brings road grit, sand, dried tar, and tiny stones. And here is the problem. A quick rinse between cars does not remove all of that debris. The bristles trap it. So when those brushes spin across your paintwork, they drag particles from the last dozen vehicles across your clear coat. It is like cleaning your car with the world's largest dirty mop. The result is swirl marks, microscopic scratches that catch sunlight and make your paint look dull and hazy. Under a detailing light, even a newer car that visits a tunnel wash regularly will show a spiderweb of fine damage spreading across every panel. The brushes are not the only problem. Most automatic car washes use industrial-strength alkaline detergents, degreasers designed to blast through road film and oil fast. They do their job brilliantly. The problem is, they do not stop there. These chemicals strip wax in a single pass and weaken paint sealants. If you have invested in a ceramic coating, which costs $500 to $2,000, repeated exposure will cut its lifespan in half. A 2025 survey found 60% of ceramic-coated car owners using automatic washes had to reapply their coatings early. Even touchless car washes, which skip the brushes, rely on even stronger chemicals to compensate. No brushes means the detergent does all the heavy lifting. A more aggressive formula hitting your paint every single visit. Here is a damage source almost nobody talks about: the water itself. Most car washes use recycled or unfiltered water loaded with dissolved minerals, calcium, magnesium, and salts. When that water evaporates off your hot paint, it leaves behind mineral crystals that bond to the clear coat. These are hard water spots. At first, they look like harmless white haze, but left in the sun, those crystals bake in and begin chemically etching the clear coat, creating tiny craters that no regular wash will remove. Cities like Las Vegas, Phoenix, and Indianapolis have particularly harsh mineral levels in their water. And here is where car washes make it worse. If your car air dries in the sun after a wash without proper forced air drying, you have just paid someone to bake minerals directly into your paint. Now, here is the twist that surprises almost everyone. If you hand wash at home because you think it is gentler, you may actually be causing more damage. Most people wash with a single bucket of soapy water and a mitt. As the mitt wipes across the paint, it picks up dirt, then goes back into the bucket. That same dirt is now in your soapy water. The next stroke drags it all back across your clear coat, like sanding it with very fine grit paper. Professional detailers call this the single bucket problem. The correct method is a two-bucket system, one for clean soapy water, one to rinse the mitt after each pass. Use a grit guard to trap particles at the bottom, a proper microfiber mitt, and dry with almost zero pressure. Most home washers also use the wrong soap. Dish soap strips all protective coatings completely in one session. So what is actually safe? The best automatic option is a maintained touchless wash with filtered water and forced air drying. It removes physical abrasion risk entirely. The gold standard is a two-bucket hand wash using pH-neutral soap, clean microfiber, and filtered water, done in the shade, never in direct sunlight. And for real long-term protection, a quality ceramic coating sits as a sacrificial layer above your clear coat, absorbing chemical and mineral attacks before they reach the paint itself. The simplest rule: wash regularly so dirt never bakes on, dry properly every time, and never trust a quick tunnel wash to take care of your finish. Your paint tells you the story of every wash that went wrong, every time the sun hits it at the right angle. Your paint is one of the most expensive things on your car to fix. A full respray runs into the thousands. Protecting it costs almost nothing if you know what you're doing. Now you do. Which washing method do you use? Drop it in the comments, like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.